This is 400 calories. This is 400 calories. Happy National Salad Day. I'm Abigail with Hebni Nutrition, and today we're going to talk about how to turn a salad into a meal in 4 simple steps. Step 1, choose your base. This part is super simple. You're just going to want to pick any leafy green. It could be spinach, kale, romaine. These are the bulk of your salad because they're so low in calories and high in vitamins and minerals. Step 2, add a healthy carb. These carbs are going to keep us full, give us energy, and are a great source of fiber. Think sweet potatoes, brown rice, and quinoa. Step 3, add a lean protein. A lean protein is also going to help you stay full while giving you the ability to maintain and build muscle. Some examples of lean protein are chicken, seafood, tofu, and beans. Step 4, keep the dressing light. This is my lunch for today. It includes quinoa, chicken, romaine, veggies, my favorite vinaigrette, and a little bit of vinegar. This ranch is 400 calories. This whole salad is also 400 calories. We're not telling you to get rid of your favorite dressings, we're just telling you to stick to the serving size. And if you don't like a dry salad, then you can choose low to no calorie options like white wine vinegar, red wine vinegar, or lemon juice. If you want to learn more about healthy cooking techniques, visit our website and register for our flavors cooking class starting May 8th.